this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from eBay seller account. So it's actually quite simple. You will need your Payoneer account and that's pretty much it. So what you want to do is first log into your eBay, and from there you want to go top right where it says My eBay, hover over it and then click on Summary, which is the first option. Then from here, around in the middle of your screen, you will see where it says My eBay. You want to tap on the third tab, which is Account. And then from here, you want to go in there under Payment Information and click on Payments. From here, you'll have multiple options and you want to pick Add Cards and Accounts. So just tap on this plus button, and from here, you will have to select what payment method you would like to add in. So what you want to do is first click Payouts, so they know you want to use this payment method for payouts, and tap Payouts, press Continue, and then from here, you want to add your payment method. So you want to click your Payoneer account, and then you want to press Continue yet again, and then you will have to add in your Payoneer account by ID, and then you want to tap Add Payoneer Account. And once you've done this, you'll get two options. It will say, do you want to continue with an individual account? So what you want to do is press Yes, keep this as an individual account, and then you want to press Continue. After this, it will say, do you want to change it to an existing Payoneer account or create a new one? So if you have a Payoneer account, you can press yes, sign in, or if you don't have one, you want to press no, create one. So both will work, just select one according to your current situation. Once you've done this, you'll get this pop-up window, which is essentially the Payoneer login page. So if you have an account, put in your email or username and your password, but if you don't have one, you will simply have to create one. Once you've done that, you then should be able to see your Payoneer account added to your payments. It will look like this. It will say Payments, Cards and Accounts, and then your Payoneer ID. It will say in green, used for payouts, and that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.